Good morning, YouTube family. So it's Saturday and I have 1 week until Christmas, and today really is like the only day that I can get like everything that I need. I thought I was done with everything, but it turns out I need like maybe 3 more things, and then I don't even have the food for next week. But I really want to get it done today because I don't want to have to go to the stores on like the day before Christmas Eve, because it's gonna be a madhouse. It's 80 degrees. It's supposed to be winter time. It feels like fall. It doesn't even feel like winter today. Tonight it's supposed to get to the 30s. No, wait, tomorrow morning actually, the 30s. This weather is just crazy. I'm here at Kohl's and I found this really cute sign. Actually, I saw this on Facebook, I think it was. It says, please leave by 9. That is too cute. I really want to get it. I don't know when I'll have a party and ask people to leave at 9, but I just think it's cute. We just left Burlington Coat Factory and I found a couple of things. It's an iPhone charger. I'm probably going to use this sucker all year round. I don't care if it's Christmas related because it's so fun. Let me show you guys. I'm going to show you as I'm plugging it in. I already plugged it in once and me and Joe got really excited. But let me show you.
I didn't get excited.
Ready, set, ta-da! Look how cute!
Oh my god.
OMG. This is like the funnest iPhone charger I've ever seen in my life. Look, where's the little charger at?
You're not gonna take that one in the house, are you? You're sleeping in the room?
No,
like,
no.
Bright.
See, it's a little...
That's cool. It's cool though. It's something new. I never saw it. I mean, I've seen the lit up charger wires, but the whole wire's lit up. But this one's like new.
Yeah, see, it's an actual iPhone charger.
The actual lights.
And it actually stretches pretty long. This is so freaking cool.
Lit up. Look, you can hang it right here, like Christmas lights.
Oh my god, this is so fun. Just having it decorative in my car like this, like just a little bit of Christmas lights, like that's just so fun.
Hang it right
I have my little poop up here. It'll light up my little poop. Whoa, my little poop went flying.
Oh, baby, you're causing a distraction.
Okay. So I've been back home for a while. I just haven't vlogged because I was busy wrapping presents. Because we are going to a Christmas party with our friends, Annette and Brian, and then with their neighbors, and then Brian's parents. We always get together every Christmas. Usually the weekend before Christmas we get together and we do our little friend-miss. We call it our friend-miss party. Joe's office is looking scary because I have like presents and junk everywhere. Look, it's like the wrapping station. This is like scary. Look at his desk. His desk is a mess. Oh, you're sporting your new shirt,
I have a new shirt. Benefits of being a member or a committee member.
Anybody can buy the shirts.
Yeah,
not just for you.
But I'm one of the first ones.
It's the Super Bowl 51 Houston, what does it say? Houston Space City, Houston, Texas, Super Bowl 51. Mrs. Claus is trying to put all the Christmas presents together so that I can put them in my big Santa bag. Ho, ho, ho! Mrs. Claus is here!
Man, those words are perfect.
What does that mean?
Huh? Do the hold down.
What is that supposed to mean? Of the country?
Yeah. Ah. Look, kids, she's beating me up with the presents. Say bye, Miss Santa Claus.
I'm off to deliver toys. Say hi. Hello. Look at her PJs. It says, wake up and be awesome. Super cute. It's the Friend-Miss party, PJ party, huh?
It's a Friend-Miss PJ party.
Say, Uncle Joe and Aunt Tanner didn't get the memo. We didn't get the memo. We got dressed up.
American
We didn't know it was a PJ party. We thought it was a regular party. You have your PJs? Bob has his PJs on. Brayden has his with the reindeer. Super cool. Oh, you want to show your
my PJ.
his belly button?
I know what the camera is.
We didn't know it was a PJ party. We thought it was a regular party. Someone's putting bunny ears on you. Who's putting bunny ears? Okay. Now draw a stocking hanging from the mantle on the fireplace. Draw a stocking on your mantle of your fireplace.
What if I want it to be on top of the mountain?
I'll take the star. All right, now draw presents below your tree.
Come on, Sam. What kind of game is this? I'm done.
All right, so
Oh, mother badass tree.
now pass it to somebody else to judge it for you.
Hey, Paul, I gotta try the bottom.
That's your tree?
That's a badass tree. Joe.
See that big ass stocking.
That's cool.
It's by points. Okay, so you
I
get
got 10 points.
you get 2 points if the tree touches the floor.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
No, you can't give
Someone
me
else has to judge the other person, so someone else judge it.
Hey,
Okay.
don't cheat.
That's your tree, huh?
Yeah, that's my tree.
Yeah, right.
All
That's
right.
like a tree right there.
2 points if your stocking is touching your mantle.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't put one.
Nine.
I got ornament and garland on them.
That was too different.
1 point for each one.
You're playing the telephone game. It is. Just whatever you can remember.
I remember everything. I just got in my ear. Wait, wait.
Spit in your ear.
She should have went second. Oh my God. I guess so.
Brayden,
Hold it right there, okay, buddy?
you're a little monster.
Ready? This is from them. Ready, set, go.
There you go. Calm down.
Woo! Nobody gives me mine.
There we go. There comes, girl.
USA! USA!
She twerks. What is it? What's wrong with his face? You don't like the Cowboys?
Yes, Cowboy.
I guess he's not a Cowboys fan.
Oh, you got the best gift in the world. Keep going.
He got some new glasses. Oh, cute. That looks perfect.
Hey, there's one more thing in there. One more thing in there.
Oh man.
That was me.
Not pie face.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my love.
Whoa, princess.
Oh, she's so cute. Princess. Let's see it.
There you go.
OMG.
There you go.
There you go.
And that hide in there. She's gonna get Brian with the marshmallows. I'll tell you. I'll say chicken. And that chicken and then corn is when he's like right there, okay? Chicken and corn. Chicken.
You want chicken and corn with the chicken fried steak?
Corn? You like corn?
You better sit on a mat on your head.
Man, that worked good.
Damn, semi-automatic. 5 seconds.
Oh, that was hilarious.
Got you with your own present.
Oh, that was good.
Close them, no peeking, Joe. Damn. Yeah.
Come on, y'all ain't gonna step on me, are y'all?
Uh-oh.
Alright, you ready?
1, 2. Ready? Are you ready?
Hey, no, not yet. Wait, you gotta get the other box.
Okay.
Hold on. Wait.
Just hold on.
You're done?
Hurry, babe, hurry.
He's snoring.
You gotta set it up.
Hold on.
Set what up?
Wait a minute.
Trying to set me up.
Chicken corn.
Wait,
some
Joe.
chicken in your corn with your
Hold
chicken
on,
fried steak.
Damn.
Oh, come on, man.
Wait a minute. Wait. We ready? One. I'm gonna pull mine off. You pull yours off, okay?
Oh,
on the count of three.
we're over here.
One.
What's your friend?
One. Paul, come on. 1, 2, go.
She missed every shot. Oh my God.
Look, he crushed it right.
I want marshmallow, girl.
There's your present for real, babe.
Go get your present.
Blank canvas, babe.
Mommy, can I open this?
Shut up.
One of your own. I love that present, babe. That's a good one.
Hell yeah. In the hallway.
Don't put no
I put a net right here.
I'm a
There's
shitty
one
dog.
net, number net there where y'all keep them back up. You know what? I started making one in my house. I barely started.
Coming out.
Merry Christmas.
So we made it back home and it is freezing cold outside. Oh, let me turn the light on. I was actually wearing shorts earlier today with flip-flops and it was 81 or 82 degrees when I was shopping earlier today. And now it is 40, hold on, let me look at the thermostat. It is 38 degrees right now, right? Yeah, 38 degrees. So it dropped down from 82 to 38 degrees. That is insane. Like literally we went from shorts and flip-flops to needing a jacket. Like that's just, I swear, Houston weather is crazy. Just like my hair. I just wanted to show you guys really quickly my cute cup. I love this cup. It's so cute. This is what Annette gave me. Look how cute. It almost goes with my new logo for my YouTube page. With the little arrow and the colors, like it's perfect. Super, super cute. I needed a big cup like this. I also got, this is super cute. I love this. A huge nail polish set. And you guys know how much I love nail polish. I like it so much. I got that from the Williams, which they are Annette's neighbors, which we got along with them right when we met them. They're so nice. We love their entire family, so we always do Christmas with them and then Brian's parents as well. Brian's mom, she is a super talented seamstress, I guess that's what you would call it. She always makes us like awesome stuff. Like I remember one time she made us, she made me an apron and she's made me like some pot holders. And this year she made us something that Joe really, really likes. And that is some Texans placemats. And they're super cute. And they even have like the, seems like it has like maybe like a plastic of some kind like in between the two fabrics. And she gave us 2 of them. And you can even wash them, which is perfect because I asked her that. She's like, yeah, you can stick them in the washer. So those are pretty awesome. I love that. Well, we had like so much fun. We always have fun when we have these parties. We laugh so hard. Like every time we're together, we always laugh. It was a lot of fun. And I can't wait to do it next year. Next year, we're actually going to host it. So we're going to host it here at our house. So it'll be really exciting. But I'm going to go ahead and go to bed. This pillow looks very comfortable. And I want to be laying on it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Good night.